Hey friends, if you wish to open HEIC, HEIF, HEVC files etc. on Windows 11 for free, then please watch this video. I will guide you through all the options that you have. So search for store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Now, just search for any one of these extensions. I'll tell you what to do after that. Okay. Now, when you search for, let's say, the HEVC extension, you will find the HEVC video extensions option here, but this is a paid one, so this is not for free. It's through Microsoft Corporation, but it's not for free. So what can you do in this case? Now here's what you can do. You can use any of these free HEVC players, which are third-party applications. Since they are on the Microsoft Store, we consider them to be safe. Okay, you can use these players and you can run the videos or you can run the images on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.